America is the front runner in developing a potential vaccine against coronavirus. Around 5 vaccine developers are in various phases of human trials. Moderna's vaccine is leading and it is in the third phase of human clinical trials. Around 30,000 volunteers from America has registered themselves for trials. Oxford and AstraZeneca's vaccine has also reached phase 3 of human trials along with China's adenovirus type 5, France's Sanofi's vaccine and Russia's Sputnik V. Novavax vaccine is also leading after Moderna. The vaccine is undergoing human trials. India would also benefit if Novavax becomes successful in its trials, as the Novavax has tied up with India's Serum Institute. 36 vaccines undergoing human trials worldwide, 90 vaccines undergoing animal trials in preclinical stage. India's vaccine Covaxin in phase 2. More than 150 nations taking part in development. India broke a new world record in coronavirus in last 24 hours. India reported its record-breaking biggest single-day jump of more than 83,000 COVID-19 cases for the first time. No other nations have reported such large number of cases. India has reported 38,53,406 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 8.15 lakh mark. 67,376 deaths are reported and more than 29,70,492 patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 8.25 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 4.55 lakh, Tamil Nadu 4.39 lakh, Karnataka 3.61 lakh and UP 2.41 lakh. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 59.68 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 39.8 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 38.53 lakh cases. Russia 10.5 lakh cases and Peru with 6.52 lakh cases. Bureau Report Goa 365.